Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Intune, a global admin account, and appropriate device licensing. Next, gather device hardware ID or enable OEM registration so devices appear in Autopilot. Create a deployment profile now. Decide Azure AD join type, and out-of-box experience options. Choose user-driven versus self-deploying based on your scenario. Once done, assign the profile to the device group so Autopilot knows which settings to apply during first boot. Now configure the core profiles and policies in Intune. Create device configuration profiles, set device restrictions, and design update rings to control patch timing. Add required applications, Win32 installers, store apps, and line of business packages, and map them to device groups so apps install during provisioning. Use dynamic Azure AD groups for automatic membership and apply scope tags when you manage multiple tenants or regions. Make sure assignments, dependencies, and detection rules are tested on a pilot group before mass rollout. Finish by validating with a test device. Run through the OOB to verify policies, certificates, and apps deploy as expected. Monitor enrollment and deployment via Autopilot and Intune logs, especially the enrollment status page and device compliance reports, to catch failures early. If something breaks, re-import hardware ID, reassign the correct profile, and verify network access and MDM authority sync. One key troubleshooting tip: if a device stalls during provisioning, check the enrollment status page logs first. They reveal which step failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.